Hello and welcome to another episode of Son of Abish. My name is Abish Matthew. Now, before we go ahead with the episode, can I have a word with you in private? Recently, I found out that you've been playing with the playback speed quite a bit. Why? Don't do that. Because when you shift it to 2x, it's not the episode that becomes 2x. I become 2x. And there are several problems with that. Number one, I told you not to do it. See, this entire show is built by a team. Today, what we're gonna do first with you guys is that I want you to change your name. If there was a biopic about your life, what would that be? What would that be called? Let's take a look at Life of a Momo. Who's Life of a Momo?
It's me.
Please tell us this Cannes Award-winning biopic that you have named Life of a Momo. It better be based in RK Puram, Delhi.
No, it is actually based in Janpat.
Oh,
These are the best
damn.
momos there. Yes.
Yo, Life of a Momo, have you ever played Aao Milo Shilo Shalo?
Yes.
Okay. Are you ready? Okay, can everybody join this? I just want to see how many of you know this. 3, 2, 1, go. Aao Milo Shilo Shalo Acha Dhaga Race लगा लो आओ मिलो शिलो शालो कच्चा धागा रेस लगा लो 10 पत्ते तोड़े एक पत्ता कच्चा इरन का बच्चा इरन गया पानी में कड़ा उसकी नानी ने नानी गई लंदन इरन कंगन नानी को मनाएंगे दस बधाई गाएंगे नानी गई बच्ची oh my god congratulations you all suck
Uma Joshi, A. Oh,
my mother
told me.
told me 50 years ago there was a lady standing at the door with a I want some.
The meat is rough. I want to go by bus. The bus is full. I want to go by bull. The bull is fat. I want the money back. The money is green. I want a cherry green. The cherry greens are red. I want to go to bed. So good night.
Oh, Haklata last man. My God, dude, that is excellent, dude. Love yourself. Damn.
And now, for no reason at all,
Flying drones in lockdown. Our first guest is a musician who's become one of the biggest electronic music stars of the country. But if he starts a clothing line, it will be called Ritwears because Ritwear. What's happening,
Abish,
Ritz?
thank you so much for having me, Abish.
Thank you so much for coming.
We can't start any of this without what's happening?
Bro, I came prepared for you. Yo, what up, y'all talk about? Not just that. How do you like my shirt? You know what? Not a shirt. It's not a kurta.
It's a kurta.
Yeah,
Abish is ruthless. Abish is ruthless right now. Let's do. Oh my God, too good. This is really exciting for me right
Correct,
now.
it was.
You are more ruthless than I am right now because I'm wearing like a sweatshirt, so I should have come prepared.
One of the most unique things that I've seen about you as an artist is the fact that how close you are to your parents. Immediately, your parents were on board from the top, and I don't think I've met. I'm not gonna say cooler parents because my dad is here. I love you, pa. I meant like how are you so close? Like, what is that narrative?
I don't have friends. They just became my default go-to people. I had my first drink with my folks last year. Okay, because I think 10, 12 years ago, I told my mom that, Mama, I'm going to have my first drink when I make it. That's the the biggest nerd thing you can expect from a 17-year-old non-rebellious child. And then I was at some point I was just like, I think Ud Gaye Ab Nikal Gaya hai. It's hit 1 million views. Can we now go get a drink? Like it was just like that, right? That's what I was like talking to my folks, and my folks are like, I don't know if this is a good idea. I'm like, y'all tricked me. Anyway, we finally went and got that drink. So
Congratulations.
thank you.
I'm going to bring on our second guest of the evening. I'm super excited for you guys to meet, and including Ritviz as well. Okay, we've been trying to get him for a very long time. Okay, so now it's finally worked out. Our next guest is a creator and a YouTuber who's built a fan base around the world with his travel videos and vlogs. And he once also traveled on a private jet with Ronaldinho. But today is a bigger achievement because he's gonna be on a public Zoom with Abish Mathew. Everyone, give it all you got for none other than Irfan Junejo! Oh my God. Irfan.
Hello, Irfan.
Hello Ritviz, I'm a really big fan of yours.
Hey, thank you, man.
और
Much love.
मतलब I'm really happy to be on Abhish's show, but you being here is really a bigger achievement. Sorry.
Abhish, I'm sorry. It's okay. You come back to the office. You got this.
Do you want to tell everyone when is the first time you interacted with Ritviz?
I think कुछ महीने हो गए Ritviz was doing an Instagram live. मैंने Ritviz को मैसेज किया. Ritviz was talking about कि मौसम कैसा है and it's hot और ये वो. तो मैंने मैसेज किया कि hey Ritviz, I'm a really big fan of yours and I'm from Pakistan and can I use your music? It won't be monetized. वो comment लोगों ने पढ़ा. And people started commenting, hey, Irfan is in the chat. Hey, Ritviz, please respond to him. And Ritviz is... यार मौसम बड़ा अच्छा है यार. हवा चल रही है आज हवा चल रही है.
Irfan, my apologies, my bro. I'm so sorry if, like, the thing is, now, in my defense, वो इतने जल्दी आते रहते हैं comments. आपका music है, आप please use कीजिए. आपके लिए ही तो हमने बनाया है.
How did it start for you, Ritviz? What was your first thing that you did? Did you have any moniker? Was it always music?
I have decided to talk about this, so I will let everybody know that when I started off, I was 14, I think. I used to call myself Richard. It's a white guy name, I know. It's embarrassing now. It was embarrassing then. I was originally managing a friend of mine who went by the name Swag Saint. Okay, and we had a song together. Do you remember? And like a bunch of songs together. And we used to I used to essentially record my choruses, and he would like do the verses. Okay. And that was my intro to composition and just the basics of audio recording.
Do you have any verse from your first raps?
I will never play that for you guys. No way.
No, I don't want you to play that. That'll be wrong. Can you sing that for us live?
No, that's never gonna happen.
Please.
Nope.
See, this lens is quite long.
No,
please. I can go more. Please.
Okay, all right. So I mean, this is like, all right. So I had this one song where I would sing like, "What's going on?" I would like really like stress on words and be like, "What's going on? Oh, tell me what's going on." And like I remember, that's all I remember. The way I used to enunciate, I forgot the melody. But I remember I had this line went like, "What's going on? Tell me what's going on." So anyway, it was like that. It was cringe max.
When can we hear that?
No,
never.
No, never. I'd already I did way too much.
Unlike you, Irfan is actually very proud of his initial profession.
That's amazing.
Irfan, as a football player, how professionally were you playing soccer or football? Or
I was playing on a state level. I used to play for a local club as well, but I have played up till the state level. I still play football sometimes, but when I joined university, I realized that ये dream तो अब यहीं खत्म हो रहा है. I can't go abroad and play football for Man United or Arsenal or something. तो इसको तो हम यहीं अभी हम bye कर रहे हैं stream को, football को. I thought मैं college खत्म करूँगा and then I'll go to London maybe and start playing for my uni's team. ये मैंने ख्वाब देखे थे, but that did not happen. So
Can you say that again, please?
क्या?
The word ख्वाब. Oh my god. That is so good.
Wow.
Okay, now maybe use it in a sentence.
You and I need to chat after this. Anyway.
These words that you use, like khwab, is the word that Ritviz uses for songs. That's it. और कोई difference नहीं है.
When my songwriting process, no, the way I write is like मैं melody आता है तो like na 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 ऐसे melody आया, and then I'll just keep singing it till the words also come to me, you know. So like it's so strange. Like in Urdu, you'll hear like Zama. Zama is a Urdu word.
I mean, our languages are almost the same. Especially, मुझे ये देख के बहुत हैरानगी होती है कि now that I have some Indian fans और उनसे कभी interaction होती है, तो the culture of Karachi and Bombay is almost the same, and the culture of Lahore and Delhi is almost the same. Whenever I'm watching somebody stream maybe या तन्मय की कोई वीडियो देख रहा हूँ, तो मुझे लगता है कि I'm watching a पाकिस्तानी क्रिएटर, लेकिन फिर वो बोलते हैं जैसे आप चिंता नहीं करें, तो दैट इज़ अ वेरी हिंदी वर्ड. चिंता उर्दू में नहीं होता है. उर्दू में होता है फिक्र नहीं करें आप.
Oh yeah.
या स्काउट बोलता है कि दिक्कत हो गई है, तो दिक्कत इज़ ऑल्सो अ वेरी हिंदी वर्ड. उसके अलावा इट्स ऑल लैंग्वेज इज ऑलमोस्ट द सेम. इवन द स्लैंग्स आर द सेम.
Ritviz, when did you, like, for example, when did you feel like you made it?
I think right after Urgai, I had my first festival set. Not first festival set, but like first major, you know, that was NH7 Weekender 2017. And the night before NH7, I had a show in Hyderabad. So I was really excited. No one came for the show. Okay? No one came. All right? So that really lowered my confidence. I was like, oh my God, I have NH7 tomorrow, which is obviously a big deal, but I just need to prepare my set and do my thing and get out. That was it. You remember you were there, Abhish? You were there.
I was there in front.
So, and I was on at 6:30. It was an early slot. And right before my set, I saw people gather. I didn't realize they were there for me. I just figured they were there for the act before me. So I got up on stage, and then I'm just looking at 3,000 people. And I've still not settled in, right? Because everyone's waiting for it. Up until I play the song, and everybody sings along, and I just felt like, oh, this is that moment, Ritviz. This is definitely that moment. I'm finally going to get to drink. So, yeah. Yeah.
Entire career is based on you having that one drink with your mother. Wow. Irfan, for you, what was that moment? Because I think there are a couple of these moments, but I know one moment which I want to discuss about. But you tell me, when was that moment you felt like, I think I'm onto something good?
I think there have been many moments like these. वो जब होता है तो आपको बड़ा ही surreal लगता है, लेकिन फिर उसके बाद it becomes the new normal, और फिर you move on to. तो जो latest हुआ है, I had a chat with Zakir Khan on my Instagram live. So that was pretty big for me, that he knows my work, he has seen my work. That, and there's a director in Pakistan, his name is Jami. He recently got in touch with me, he commented on a video of mine. तो जब वो हुआ तो I got this feeling कि मुझे all my life, all my YouTube career, I've been looking for this validation. And after Jami commenting on my video or getting in touch with me, messaging me on WhatsApp, मुझे peak validation मिल गई है. अब मुझे पता है कि कोई भी मेरी वीडियो को कुछ भी बोल दे, I know मुझे जामी ने अप्रूव कर दिया है, तो I am really happy.
Three amazing things that happened to you, dude. Jami, Zakir, Son of Abhish. I mean, it's crazy.
Yeah.
Crazy.
I mean, in all honesty, I was really happy to be a part of Son of Abhish. I told my mother कि मुझे पता था उनको शायद नहीं पता हो Son of Abhish का, तो I told my mother कि मैं एक इंडियन शो पे हूँ, तो मैं बिजी होऊंगा. My mother was really excited. कौन से शो पे? कपिल शर्मा.
Can I tell you something? My parents, who moved, my family, full family is in Canada, and when they go to, relatives' house to explain what I do, they say the same thing. Kapil Sharma, हाँ English में.
लेकिन मेरे बराबर में मेरे एक दोस्त बैठे हैं, एंड वो सिर्फ इसलिए बैठे हैं कि he has been watching Son of Abhish since season 1, और उनको बोलना है कि मुझे बस अभी से बात करवा दो. तो
हटो, आपसे बहुत बात होगी, आपसे बात करेंगे. Please give it to some guy. What's his name?
आमिर.
Amir. What's up, Amir? That's Ritviz. Wait, man. Amir, everybody, make some noise for Amir.
Unlike Irfan, I'm here for Abhish, not for Ritwit. So sorry.
That's what I'm talking about. Buddy. High five.
Amir, what's up? No.
See, Rishwa sir. कैसे हैं sir आप? Sorry sir.
Oh man, Amir.
But son of Abhish मैं तब से देखा जब से मुझे font है.
Oh my God,
I remember.
you know the inside jokes also. You know the inside jokes also. Amir, dude. Like, there is a position vacant for my best friend. Please become.
It was in AIB videos when I saw you first time, and then I searched for you on your Instagram, and then all those stuff happened, and then YouTube में देखा the son of Abhish का show. I think वो शुरू भी नहीं हुआ था उस वक्त. होने वाला था पता नहीं, but वो था कुछ. Then अचानक season 2 अचानक खुद ही season 2 आ गया था, कोई promotion नहीं थी, season 2 ऐसे ही आ गया था. अचानक 3 या 4 में जो है वो 5-star Cadbury आ गया था. एक सीजन मुझसे मिस हुआ just because वो Hotstar पे था and I couldn't access Hotstar यहाँ पे, तो वो बस मिस हुआ है. बाकी तो on.
Dude, आपके लिए तालियां. इतना कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स मेरे पेरेंट्स भी एपिसोड्स नहीं देख पाएंगे. Amir, thank you very much. Irfan has no idea. Irfan like, what am I missing out on?
कुछ दिखा देंगे, recording दिखा देंगे.
Recording दिखा देंगे. Amir, it was amazing speaking to you, man.
Thank you so
much. All right, man. Dude, अब Amir से ही बात करेंगे. Dude, you missed it, okay? We just discussed how to solve Corona. You missed it. And I have a question for both of you because this is something that I've seen Ritviz do, and then I've realized that even Irfan, you've been doing. You both have been collaborating with a lot of people. What
You love that song.
What are the future ones that are coming up?
This we have a Seedhe Maut album, collab album. Okay, that's a full 8-track album that's coming out of the boys. There's a EP with Nuclear, that's in the works. There's a song with Nuclear and Divine, and I also talk about collaborations that are still like in like बहुत early stages, and I don't know if they'll ever come out because I take my time. I'm a delayer. So there's a Chehra remix that I'm going to be putting out soon. That's Hanita Bhamri, and I really want to work with Bawri Basanti. She's based out of Delhi. She's amazing. If you guys have to, please go check her out. She's amazing. And of course, Lifafa. That's my last collaboration that I really want to focus on this year.
Irfan, as far as the collaborations that you've been doing, can you tell us a little bit more about it and what's coming up next?
Okay, so for the past 6-7 months, I haven't really been making any videos that I would be proud of. I'm just trying to connect with the audience. I'm just making I'm streaming, I'm talking to the audience, interact with them. So now I really have a lot of ideas and I cannot do anything because lockdowns and pandemic. So I might get to direct a music video of one of my favorite bands, Kashmir. It is a rock band, you guys should check it out. And during the time that I was vlogging, I really wanted to be a director and direct commercials and stuff. That was something that I really aspired to do. Lekin phir I directed a few TVCs and I realized that यहाँ पे कोई creative freedom है नहीं. It's always going to be the brand that will have the final say. I'm sure brands all over the world are the same.
What you talking about?
So फिर I dropped that idea and I am just going to be this independent creator and focus on my YouTube channel and potentially I would like to make short documentaries. And I don't know if you have watched this street food series on Netflix. I would love to make something like that for different cities in Pakistan. So that is probably going to be my next
Can you tell us a little bit more about like what is the difference in cuisine? Like, do you have Golgappa?
We have in street food we have Golgappa. We have I think you guys call it Pani Puri.
No. Wait. Let me clarify for everyone watching from across the world.
Yeah.
Big debate.
In Delhi we call it Golgappe. In Bombay they call it Pani Puri. In Calcutta they call it Puchka. Puchka.
I don't know मुझे कैसे पता चला ये मुझे याद नहीं है लेकिन मुझे पता चला I think watching a video कि there's a drink in Kolkata I was watching Samay Raina की stream. And उसमें मैंने देखा कि there's a drink in Kolkata जिसमें दूध में they mix Coke. So there's a very similar thing in Lahore. It's वो कराची में it's not as popular. It's called दूध soda where they mix Sprite or 7-Up in milk, and it's very famous from Lahore.
Lahore's, yeah. Proximity to Delhi, food culture that goes in.
Yeah.
So good. So once again, everyone, just first of all, give a huge round of applause to Ritviz and to Irfan for talking to us so much, so politely, so respectfully, so amazingly, such mutual respectfully. But now it's time for us to break that shit because now is the game segment. It's called Lloyd Draw Vinci. Apparently, it's named after the creator of the game.
Amazing.
It's a 4-person game. So I was wondering, who can I get to play this game which has Lloyd's name on it? Ladies, gentlemen, others, please make some noise for none other than Wandering Lloyd on Son of a Beast for the first time!
Hey, Ritviz, big fan of you. I like your music. I've crashed a lot of drones, and every time I crash a drone, I listen to your song Ud Gaye. If my drones go, they never come back. Irfan, love your travel videos, man. Like, I've been watching your videos since 2 years, and we've connected a couple of times, so...
Now, remember, Wandering Lloyd is the weirdest person I've ever met. So the game is the weirdest game that I've come across in a long time. We're going to distribute ourselves in teams, and one of our team members is going to get on a private chat a word that you need to draw, and the other person needs to guess. If I and Ritviz are a team, if I draw, I have to draw on my screen like this with my finger. And Ritviz has to draw that on paper, and we have to see whether you got it correctly or not. Okay, cool. So are you ready? So let's do the team, Lloyd and Irfan, if you guys like, because you guys have had conversations. Ritviz and I also are the team, right, bro? Come on, high five, wherever you are. Take it.
This. We've got this. I'm here.
Well, Lloyd and Irfan, what would you like to call your team?
You should call it Scenes Vloggers.
Ooh, drone crashers. Drone crashers.
Drone crashers.
Okay, cool. Ritviz, what should we be called? See, every time you say a song is coming out, you delay it. Every time I say an episode is coming out, I delay it.
Yeah, delayers.
Delayers versus drone crashers. It's on like Donkey. Sorry, not it's on like Donkey Kong. What's going on like Donkey Kong? We'll go first.
I'm ready.
All right, team, send me the word in my private DM. Okay, got it. And my time starts now. Are you ready? Take a pen, pencil. Ready? Okay. Time starts now. Ritviz, now.
I'm looking at you. What the?
I just realized I can't make it 3D. Why am I doing it? Okay. Again. Yeah.
What is the thing on the side? What is the thing on the side you did?
Time is running out. Time is...
Okay, let's go.
15 seconds.
Let's go. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I got it.
3, 2, 1. Okay, wait. First show it to me. Yeah. Okay.
I kind of think I know what it is, but I also could be really wrong. Okay. Yeah, okay, got it. Then I got it. Can I say it?
Yeah, say it.
Is it a bird?
Yeah, but which one?
Oh shit, which one? What the fuck?
Yeah, what do you think?
Penguin. Is it a penguin? Oh, you did this.
Yes,
Okay.
penguin.
Got it. Okay, my bad. Okay.
1 point to us. 1 point to us. Okay.
Yeah. We smashed it. Give me. We smashed it.
Thank you. Okay, cool. Get ready, Lloyd. You're gonna get the word, and as soon as you get the word, your time starts.
Cool. We got it, Irfan. Good luck, buddy. Okay. Guys, a disclaimer, I get very hyper with games, so...
Your time starts now.
Yeah. Irfan.
यार थोड़ा बड़ा बनाओ, ये बहुत छोटा है.
Oh, I agree.
Okay, is it a flower?
Draw. I don't.
Okay.
You have to draw it.
Okay.
Lloyd, you have to draw it.
Okay, once you finish one.
Right? Lloyd, are you okay?
You. That's it.
And this is a simple.
Okay, once again, he has to guess. You can't just
Okay,
draw.
okay.
Team. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh yeah, I can see it.
Throw out pass. Okay. Now, what is that according to you?
Is it a sunflower?
Nice.
Okay, one all. Okay, let's take it up. Ritviz, you're gonna get a word. I'm gonna guess now. Yo, delayers, yo. Delay.
Yes, yeah.
We got this.
We got this. Sorry.
Ritviz, you got the word. Okay, wait.
Okay.
Yeah, you're freezing. Your internet is freezing. Not a...
Okay. Okay. I'm sorry.
आगे खत्म कर. 10 seconds.
I'm gonna do it again.
Don't abandon me, buddy. We're delayers.
I'm gonna go over it again. This is the first thing. Okay.
Why are you dancing? What's the last one? Time's up.
Actually, can you know what? I don't want to talk. Just show me what you did.
Yo, don't worry about it, man. I got you.
Just you got me? Okay, show me what you did.
Don't worry.
Show me. This is what I was trying to do. You know what? I'm just gonna really draw.
This looks like a bowl in a bowl.
This is what I was trying to do. This was the nose, the beak, the snowman.
And that was so easy when I got it, Ritviz.
Really?
Yeah, we got.
Dude, you also, audience also got. Dude, what
Yeah.
was this?
Yeah.
Okay, so I wasn't bad. Okay, I didn't do a bad job. Okay, cool. That's all right.
Cool. Okay, Irfan, you're going up next.
It's very hard. How do I?
All right, 3,
Okay.
2, 1, go.
Can I spell the word?
No, you have to draw the thing. What are you doing?
Okay. Yeah. What else?
How do I? What
Just
else
keep
do I
drawing.
draw?
Keep drawing.
10 seconds left.
Oh my god, I don't know what it is. Do you have more designs?
It's only.
3, 2, 1. All right, stop. Don't say
Damn.
anything. Don't say anything. I am very excited to see you wandering. Please show me what
Yeah, I
you
just-
made out of this.
See, I just followed his hand movements, and it feels like abstract art.
Wow.
Was it
That's
this?
actually pretty good.
Modern art.
Now, what, Irfan, can you draw and tell us what were you trying to draw?
I was trying to draw this.
Whoa.
Lloyd, show me yours. Keep it in the same frame, Lloyd. This is the Batman sign.
Yeah.
Lloyd, what is your Batman?
Dude,
it looks like Rooster Man.
Dude, see, look at this. This is the Batman sign only. Okay, and it's morning, so this is the sun rising.
Yeah.
I think that's all I got.
All right.
Okay, so we are 1 all.
Both have lost. We have a one final round in which Lloyd and I are gonna draw together. We're both gonna get. We're both gonna get the same word, and whoever guesses it first.
Wait. Why do you? Oh.
We have unique words. Okay.
I thought I'll draw. Okay.
Okay. You draw. You draw.
Whatever you
You
want.
and Lloyd again.
Fine. Yeah. I mean, last time you. Okay. Cool.
Okay. Here we go. Go. I'm
One
drawing.
second. Should I draw or should I?
Yes.
Keep drawing.
Lloyd,
Yeah,
draw.
you draw. Hold on.
I'll do this.
Yeah.
Fan and I are doing the finger drawing.
Okay.
Lloyd and Abish are drawing on paper.
Got it.
No, it's my show.
What is happening? I love the freedom. I love the
The game is
Go, Abish.
okay.
I don't want to draw.
Lloyd and Abish will do the air drawing with our fingers. Ritviz and Irfan will paper draw with pens, hopefully. My word, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh shit, go!
Abhish, go again.
Okay, see.
Draw again.
ये
Draw
देख
again.
देख
Why am I drawing a love sign?
अबे देख ना ये देख
Start again.
अबे look at the screen, just look at the screen.
I'm looking at the screen. One sec, hold up. Let me put it to speaker view. Let's do this. Start again, Amish. Okay. Yeah.
Irfan, are you getting it? Just keep drawing, keep following.
20 seconds left.
Keep following. Okay. I'm drawing again. I'm drawing with both the hands.
Okay.
Lloyd, both hands. I will also use both hands.
Okay. The fuck? What is this? Is it a ghost? Looks like a ghost. I have a ghost in my hand.
5,
Women.
4, 3,
I think I'm done.
1, 2. Okay, now wait.
Cool.
Lloyd, can you draw? I'll draw what I was trying to draw as well.
Okay, I'm gonna draw. Even I'm gonna
I don't
draw.
want to hold my screen up and show you guys what I did.
Okay, Ritviz, why don't you show us what you drew?
What is this?
Yes.
Wow.
Wait. Yes.
What is this?
Yes.
What
Yes.
is that you've drawn? What is
Yes.
that? Oh.
Now wait. Now Irfan and Lloyd compare.
One second, I'm still drawing mine. Give me time. Hold on.
What are you drawing?
1 second.
What?
Okay.
What?
What?
Okay.
What? Irfan, move it closer.
Hey guys. Hi, Picassos.
Okay, so let's start with Lloyd. Lloyd, Irfan, what do you think it is? Can you tell us what do you think if Lloyd was trying to convey to you? What do you think the word was?
I think he is drawing me.
Good job, Irfan.
What about this is Irfan?
This is
The headphones.
this is Irfan's headphones. This is him holding a camera in his hand. Camera is missing because
What? That looks like smoke or like a snake has bit him.
this is the drone that Irfan flies.
Lloyd, show me that camera. What is that bulbous thing coming out? What is that?
Dude, this is a selfie stick and this is a camera. This part is a camera.
You trying to show the Joby?
Irfan looks like a Pokemon.
This is the drone that he flies. So it's perfect.
Why is there a fan over there?
This is sun, bro. It's not a fan.
Why are you putting a sun? Okay, you know what? I don't understand. Now, Ritviz, what do you think
हम लोग ने क्या किया है, bro? What is going on?
Ritviz, come on. This
This is like a ghost. Then I thought it's a ghost wearing a sari. I don't know. What is that?
Can I guess?
Yeah, Irfan, please come in.
It's Ritviz wearing a fanny bag. It's you.
What do you think it was? You think?
Oh my god! Oh my! I'm so sorry. This is really disappointing. Yeah, no, I feel bad right now. I feel bad. This meant something to us, and I'm so sorry. Sorry, I know how much fanny packs mean to us. Okay, all right.
I know. It's sad, but it's true. I guess it is important for us to announce today's winners. Everybody, can you go off mute? It is the moment of truth. The winners today of the game called Lloyd Draw Vinci, which seems like is rigged by the guy who made the game itself, is none other than Lloyd and Irfan Junejo. Well done.
And now, for no reason at all, Border Issues. Five-star do-nothing list.
I love the rains, the smell, the sound, the ability to say the word petrichor in public. I know what that means. Kinda. But every time it rains, I just brew myself a nice cup of coffee, open up my balcony and look straight at my clothes getting drenched. So wait, do I panic? Get a bucket, pick these clothes, get them to dry inside? No! Just do nothing. Just watch Mother Nature give my clothes a second wash. Thanks, Mom.
Five-star do-nothing list.
पलकें झुकी झुकी सी क्यों है तेरी अजनबी सांसें रुकी रुकी सी क्यों है तेरी हाँ देखा तुझे तो लगा के ये रिश्ता पुराना है तेरा मेरा हुआ दिल बेगाना यूं पागल दीवाना साद क्यों है मेरा थम सा गया है ये समा मैं और तुम दोनों यहाँ फिर से वही हवा क्यों चली जिसमें ये दिल जोर से गाए रे थोड़ा सा मुस्कुरा के देखो कभी मेरे करीब आके देखो कभी मैं शायर नहीं और घायल नहीं फिर भी गाता हूँ तेरे लिए मैं खुशियाँ ज़माने की सारी यूं ही ढूंढ लाऊंगा तेरे लिए थम सा गया है ये समा मैं और तुम दोनों यहाँ फिर से वही फिजा क्यों चली जिसमें ये दिल जोर से गाए रे खोए जा तेरी सांसों में खो जाने से सुकून आए रे ना जा तू दूर कहीं मेरा दिल यूं तुझे पुकारे रे आए रे.
That was Samad Khan, an incredible artist I met during my show Viva. The first time I heard him sing, I knew I had to get him on Pix. So thank you so much, Samad. Also, if you want to discover some really amazing new talent, come join us every Monday, Wednesday, Friday on Viva at noon. Just leave us in the background, go do your dishes, enjoy yourself. And now, a word from our goodwill partner in my voice. This is the oldest bakery in Govandi. It's 35 years old and is currently being run by Khurshid Bhai. They make two kinds of pav. Kadak for your morning bun maska and naram used for vada pav, anda pav, bhaji pav, misal pav, papa pav, go-go pav ranges. Where was I again? Yeah. So, the bakery uses wood fire oven. Some say electric ovens give the pav a better shine, but trust me, a wood fire oven pav just has more flavor and melts in your mouth. Why am I talking about this particular bakery? During the lockdown, Khurshid Bhai and his team coordinated with 10 other smaller bakeries and managed to produce a whopping 58,000 pavs a day. And to date, they made over 18 lakh pavs which are distributed to the people of Govandi by the volunteers at Feeding From Far. Khurshid Bhai and Feeding From Far require your help to continue feeding people in need in Govandi. So make sure you donate as much as you can and as often as you can. And with that, it brings us to the end of the show. Thank you. How many times do